Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Tim with Timm the Poor Artist. I'm going to do another slate. This is a ceramic slate. Got it all prepared. And I use these little stands to hold them up. And my head's been cracking today. What am I going to do? So I want to play around with the blow dryer again. It was kind of fun yesterday. Had a good experience with it. So, of course, black and white colors. Tried to make some activator out of white. I couldn't get it to work. I had to turn over to some black, but I don't even know if I'm going to use it. Some pink. Here's that really hot pink. Orange. And here's a blue right there. A little bit of that gold. And then a lighter baby blue. I believe this one's a marine blue and this is just a light blue. And then I might play around with some activator on it. I may not. I don't know. I mean, we wig it, we do it. Okay, so let's do some white first. Yeah, I need a white spread out here. All right, let's just go with this. Put it on, put it on. Need some more. I know. This hobby, we waste our paint, don't we? I don't know if this doesn't put it across too evenly if you do this way. You want to get it on there. So we have a base to work with. I don't know. Was today a good day to paint? So it's a little different working with these slates than it is with a canvas. They're not giving at all. They're tough. They're hard to work with. Okay, let's do this first. Well, I need to pop those bubbles. What I need to do first. Okay, let's take a black. I really do like a black and white combination. I like how those colors come out together. Little light blue. Then a marine blue. Sometimes when you're trying to make the activator, I was just trying to mix just water and paint, and that's what it's supposed to be. And for some reason, it didn't want to cooperate. I couldn't get any cells out of it whatsoever. So we gonna see what happens here. I don't know. There's no script. There's no oops. Yeah, there's an oops. But see what happens here. This is my activator. I don't even know why I'm doing this. My gold in there. Got a lot of light blue. I don't know why. Some pillow here. I'm going to put some on this side. Can push it over. Some on this side. And push it over. So let's see what happens. Wow, that's pretty cush. I spilt that stuff all over the place. That looks pretty cool. What do y'all think? I mean, jeepers. What happened there? I got a lot of cells. Huh. Okay. Things are just falling all over the place. I need to blow that out a little bit more. Oh, don't get your hair in it. I did! Oh, man. Holy cow. No, that's not gonna go. Okay. Well, I got really long hair and I didn't put it back today. And yeah, look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, I kind of blew that one. But let's see if we can fix it here. This spot right here. Where did my big thing of white go? Tell me I spilt it. Oh, no, there it is. I'm going to put some more right here. A little gold in it. I'm going to try to fix this corner. I don't know if it really needs to be fixed, but to me, looks like it needs to be fixed. So I'm just going to blow some colors here. see what it does. There we go. That looks better. That looks much better. Okay, I'm gonna leave that, fix that. Okay, let's check all the edges. That look good. They look good. No, if that wasn't too thin, it's gonna make that stick out. Okay. Okay. Oops, excuse me. Please, man, people, I'm so sorry. I tend to do that. I'm gonna leave it. Okay. Oops, I need to bring you guys in for a close-up. Sorry about that. Alrighty, let's take a look at this. Oh, wow. It's nice. Light colors this time, you know, on the lighter side anyways. So there you go. Ooh, pretty. See how this will grow. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you found this video enjoyable and educational for you. And any beginners out there, give me a comment down there. Let me know. You're just starting out, how long you've been doing this kind of stuff. Okay? All right, everybody. God bless. Have a great day.